Well, what's going on, everybody? Mel here, Darkside of the Grill. Guess what? Today we're doing the beer corn recipe. After some much needed, much received love from the beer corn I did on Big Green Eggs live feed, it's time to show you how to get these beautiful corns happening with Mel's little secret recipe and beer corn. What we're doing is we're taking whole corn in the husk. Oh, well, I'll just come right over to you. Whole corn in the husk. Now you take it, right? Get it all ready to go in there. You want to go about half an inch, I'd say. Half an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch into that corn. You see that? That's where you want it. Now you're going to take it and you're going to be a bit violent with it. You see that? You're going to be a bit aggressive just to get it to break away from the skin just a little bit. You also got this tail in the back, which we don't want. And then you're going to strip off just the outside one. This is the one that's going to burn on you anyway. Not a big deal. And there you go. Beautifully set up. And thank you. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Half inch, 3/4 inch. Oh, get that tail out of here. You got any loose ones? Get rid of the loose ones. Like I said, they're going to burn. Huh? Nice. Violent, break her away. So what you're doing is you're breaking the husk away from the corn just in every little bit there. It's going to help in the long run, trust me. Trust me. There we go. And oh, back. Boom. Get rid of the loose one. And then there you go. Fantastic. Now you can do this in the sink as well. The Ziploc just makes it super easy, super easy. So you're gonna throw these 3 in there. I'm doing these on the Mini Max, so I'm only doing 3. Usually I do a ton of these at a time. My Dow Strong scimitar, isn't that thing just a monster? Boom. Corona, it's a bad word now, but that's okay. You know what time it is, people. Now we're gonna fill them up with our beer. And we're gonna let this soak. Oh yeah, we're gonna let this soak for at least an hour or 2. You go 3 or 4 if you want. Totally up to you. Suck all that air out of there. And oh, look at that. Look at that. Melsbeercorn is marinating, right? Marinating. So you want to make sure you pour all that corn. You want her to slide down into that end, right there. Right? And you can feel it. You can feel the husk is already puffed out a bit. That's where you want it. You want it to keep going down inside that husk. I'm going to throw this in the fridge every hour or so. I'll pull her out, pour the beer over there, and let her get back inside of that husk. What we want is the husk to fill up with beer so that when we steam them over the live charcoal in the Big Green Egg, it's going to give it that beautiful taste. I like hoppy beer. This is nice. This happens to be what I have on hand. I've done it with Guinness. I've done it with Bush. I've done it with whatever. It always tastes fantastic. I'm going to catch you on the second half of this. It's going to go on the Big Green Egg, and then we'll do the reveal. It's going to be deadly. Deadly. Melsbeercorn. You excited? I hope you are. I am. And we're back. Guess what? This corn has been marinating in the fridge for about 3 hours now. That beautiful Corona. Look at that. Look at that color. She's been set right in there. I've been making sure every hour you flip it up, get that beer flowing down, and then soak back into that husk. Let me show you. Let me show you how beautifully tenderized. Look at that. Oh, you can even smell it. Just smells like beer corn already. Oh, look at that. Nice and juicy. Big Green Eggs rocking about 300 degrees, 3 1/4. Here we go. Boom. 1, 2, and 3. The corn is on the grill. Now, we're gonna say half hour, we'll check it. This usually takes half hour, 45 minutes. Depends on how much you like your corn done. Corn's corn. Stay tuned. We're gonna have her done up. Beer corn. I hope you're as excited as I am. All right, everybody, it's been about 45 minutes, almost an hour. I can see that the husks have pulled away from the corn just a little bit. I'll bring you in here, you can take a look at them. The husks have pulled away from the corn just a little bit. I'm gonna say they're ready to pull. Got a little bit of a char. You can see they're just gently loosening up on there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap them in foil and let them sit for about 10 minutes before I shuck them and show you exactly what we're dealing with Melsbeercorn here. There you go. Hot, hot. Make sure you got your tools with you. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I can't wait to show you these. There you go. And then a quick wrap. Almost like your meat, right? You just want to tent it a little bit. And we're going to let her sit 5-10 minutes. And then we'll open them up, see what time it is. And we're done. This beautiful corn been rested. Smoked on that big green egg. She's still hot, but definitely after being tented. Oh, here we go. Who's excited? I know I'm excited. Look at the color of this corn. I'm going to show you how I like to prep it. You can leave it straight up like this. You don't need butter. You don't need anything. It's nice to have the butter, right? A little bit of salt and pepper. That's always a crowd favorite, but look at that. Look at that. Look at the color. Oh, it's so soft. It's so juicy. Look at that. There it is. Melsbeercorn. It's absolutely perfect just like this. You can also throw it up one more notch. I'll show you real quick here. Oh, still hot. Still hot to the touch, but look at this. I'll do two. There we go. You can tell by that yellow tinge. Just look at it. And it comes with its own handle. Come on now, people. That's fantastic. Here we go. So you take it like that, and I'm going to throw you my Mexican street corn kind of kick that I like to do with it. Give it a nice, healthy coating of mayo. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Right? That beautiful mayo. Some people use sour cream. It's totally up to you. Totally up to you. I actually use that Q-pie. It's like a Japanese mayo. It's also fantastic, right? There we go. Parmesan cheese, big block of Parmesan cheese, a fresh shaved Parmesan cheese. This is also, you can do whatever you like there. The Koja, I believe, the Mexican cheese, Koja. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm from Canada. We don't have that too prominent up here, but I've tasted it. Fantastic. Now, I'm on vacation. I don't have all my barbecue spices and rubs and stuff, so I'm going old school, Montreal steak spice. What? Montreal steak spice? On corn, that's right. I also like to put bacon bits on here. Pepper, you can do straight pepper, whatever you want. Fancy sea salt, whatever. And then finish it off, your favorite hot sauce. Favorite hot sauce. And then just a nice little drizzle. Roll them over. Boom, there you go. Take a look at that. Melsbeercorn, done up Mexican street style. This is, ready? That's a solid win, people. If you haven't tried this yet, try it. If you have tried it, try it again and try it again and try it again. It's a solid hit. Your family's gonna love you for it. Thank you very much for following along.